There you go. And now, Zachary, what now? Must I turn the wagon? Let's turn the wagon.
Can I see that photo?
Just now, Hannah. Just now. Wait. Zachary, you got to get the angle right. Okay, off you go. Bye, Hannah. Bye, Zachary. Oh, you're taking a break? Are you pushing Hannah, Zachary? Push Hannah. There he goes. Well done.